Hi, we're Lesia and Alan, the leadership team for OCP Future Technology Symposium. I'm Alan Smith, the chair for OCP Future Technology Symposium.
Hi, my name is Lesia Dimi, and I'm a program chair for the OCP Future Technology Symposium. This year, the symposium was a real success. We received around 40 submissions from the industry and the universities and people from around the world, and we down selected them to 20 presentations and 31 posters. As you might know, the Future Technology Symposium went virtual, and you will be able to see these presentations and posters during our virtual OCP Symposium on May 15. Before we announce the winner, I'd like to remind that this year, the prize for the best paper is $10,000. Our experts reviewed the submissions offline and assessed them based on the criteria: feasibility, innovation, and potential impact to the OCP members. Alan?
We are pleased to announce the winner of this year's OCP Future Technology Symposium Best Paper is awarded to the Virginia Tech team of Fred Lee, Kiang Lee, and Ahmed Nabi for their paper titled 3 Kilowatt Power Supply Design with Easy Manufacturability for 48-Volt Bus Power Architecture. It was a great topic. Due to a normalized trend of increased power requirements across the board, the design of an efficient but much less labor-intensive power supply is important. The paper discusses methods to design a DC to DC unit of 3 kilowatt power supply for the 48-volt architecture, with easier manufacturability and lower cost than today's standards. A prototype for the 48-volt, 3 kilowatt, 1 megahertz system is also demonstrated.
We would like to thank all the authors who submitted their papers, program committee members who helped us, technical experts, and all OCP members who were actively involved in the symposium. A special thanks go out to our symposium organizational team. Thank you for all your efforts. If you would like to hear and see more information about the symposium, please visit our website. We look forward to seeing you at our virtual event on May 15 and also meet you face to face in future events. Thank you.